Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. In this video today, I'm going to answer the question, can you make money blogging? And I know the answer to this one, okay? So I want to go through what blogging is, how it works, and how you can make good money with it like I do. And I'm going to show you everything, how I got started, and where it really made the difference of me making zero money to actually making a full-time income, guys, okay? So let's get started right now. So this is my blog, workanywherenow.com, and I've been blogging since 2016 with this blog. But guys, I actually tried blogging before, back in like 2012, and I was not going anywhere with that blog. In fact, I've already let go of that domain a long time ago. It was motherhoodetc.com, etc.com. It was a great name. I was going to do a mommy blog, but it wasn't doing anything for me because I didn't know how to actually make money with it or drive traffic with it. So just because you have a blog, it doesn't mean that you're just going to get visitors all the time or just like that once you start writing. There's a lot involved in blogging that you need to learn about and know how to rank your posts that you write on search engines, and that is the key to getting massive traffic to your blog so you can make money with it. So my blog is about how to make money, and specifically I talk about affiliate marketing on here a lot and bunch of different ways of how to make money online, and I also review a bunch of make money online products on this blog. How I make money with this, guys, is when people are searching on search engines about how to make money or a certain make money online product they want to check out before they buy or something, and if I wrote about things that they were searching for, then I get ranked on Google and other search engines, and then they find my website that way. And that's the key to getting traffic to your blog, guys, is knowing how to write in a certain way that will rank on search engines and that then you can be found. And once you get ranked on search engines like that, you could get massive, and I mean massive amounts of visitors come to your site, and then you can use anything to monetize your site to or your blog to make money with it. So there's so many different ways you can make money with a blog. Okay, so first of all, you could use display ads. Second of all, you could use affiliate marketing. So these two I use a lot. And then you could have people guest posting on your site and they give you money for that. And you could also create your own products and sell your own products if you want. So there are definitely a few more different ideas that you can use your blog to make money with. So a blog is very valuable in that sense, and so that's why it is so worth building a blog and getting that massive traffic from search engines, so that's how you could drive like thousands of visitors to your offers, either affiliate offers or your own products or whatever you want to sell on your site. That's how you could get massive traffic without spending any money on paid traffic, okay? And that is the key to building a blog, okay? And the major difference between when I was blogging on my own and blogging with this website, the huge difference is that I actually took up training this time, because when I was going to start workanywherenow.com, I knew I failed the first time. But so when I was about to start this one, I was determined to make it work, and I was looking for training. I want to learn properly how to do this, and I finally found it at one place that I was so happy to find when I did find it, and that place is at. So wealthy affiliate is the main difference between me blogging on my own and blogging properly. It's this is where I learned it, guys, okay? And you don't want to just type in wealthyaffiliate.com, because if you do that, you guys won't get my little picture on here. And if you don't get my little picture, guys, it's gonna be really sad for you, because that means that you're not gonna get me as your premium coach, and you want to get me as your premium coach, and I'll show you why. Okay, if you want to get to this page with my little face on it, you do want to use my affiliate link, which is workanywherenow.com/team Littlemama. If you use my link, it will get to this page with my face on it. Then you know it's the right page. So all you gotta do, no credit card required. You just gotta type in your email to get set up. And then once you get set up, you go onto the platform. So let me bring you inside. So this is my profile on Wealthy Affiliate. My nickname on here is Littlemama. And I've been here since September 2016. I'm an ambassador here. I have reached super affiliate status last year here. So this is a reason why you want to sign up with me, because I am somebody who has taken the training here, guys. I've taken, so they have 2 courses, and I've taken both of these courses and built my blog, and I actually make money with it. So do I make money blogging? Yes, I do. So let's take a look. I've documented on my profile here my entire journey since I started with Wealthy Affiliate. So that means that you guys can go through all of my posts on here and read about how much I've been making and how I've been going through this journey. I mean, it was not all fun and games, and you will see that if you keep going down to my older posts, but it just gets more and more exciting if you keep reading the more and more about my journey. So it's amazing how my journey has come, and this is why I love Wealthy Affiliate so much, because the training has worked for me. It is a lot of work to build a blog and actually make money from it, because you do need to kind of work on your business consistently every single week. It is not just like a little side hobby that you want to take up. You do want to kind of put in at least 15 hours a week, kind of like a part-time project, and get yourself started, because you can actually do it part-time and build it to a point where you could quit your job, guys. Okay, I have a video of all the not all the success stories. I can't possibly give you all the success stories, but I will link 10 success stories that I did a video of and show you that video in the video description below or around this video here. Okay, so I might just link it up here as well. With your free account, you can get your first level free here, and the first level gives you a free website just like that. Okay, if you go through this first level, you're gonna have a live website by the end of the first 10 lessons that you get for free. Okay, so you have a free live website right on the internet after 10 lessons. And then after that, if you find the lessons really good, then you upgrade to premium, and then you get the rest of the lessons. And you can also check out Affiliate Bootcamp. So I use Affiliate Bootcamp more than this one, even though I've gone through this one as well. This one is for anybody who wants to build a blog in their own niche, meaning their own topic. Okay, so you could pick any topic that you want. If you want to do a like a beauty and makeup blog, that's cool. If you want to do a mommy blog, that's cool. If you want to do a drones blog, that's cool. Camera, photography, pets, this would be the training for you. Okay, but if you want to also be an affiliate of Wealthy Affiliate, meaning like me, I'm promoting Wealthy Affiliate, then you do this course, and then you can make recurring commissions, because Wealthy Affiliate's affiliate program is really lucrative in that way, that if you bring in members, you get to earn on their memberships as long as they stay on the platform. So it is great to have recurring commissions, I'll tell you that right now. And there's lots of help that you can get at Wealthy Affiliate. So you have live chat. Okay, you have live chat here that you could talk to people, and you can have a help center. There's many other people here, different ways to ask for help. You will not run out of help. So when you sign up with me, these are the owners, guys. And then if you sign up with me, you're going to see me in this spot right here. But you can tell here, I don't have a premium coach actually, guys. I signed up with nobody. So, and then the great thing about this platform is that they not only teach you about blogging, but they specifically teach you how to use affiliate marketing to monetize and make money from your blog, okay? And that's how you'll make money. And they have this affiliate program search right here that you can learn to find affiliate programs for your online business. So whatever niche that you go into, you could type it in here and see what kind of affiliate programs you can apply for right here. And you could also send messages to them, to the affiliate program owners, and ask them questions and rate them, and see what other people say about these affiliate programs. They also have live webinars every Friday. This has been going on for at least the last, I believe, 4 years or 5 years. For sure 4 years. I would say 5 years. But Jay here, Jay from Magic Studio, or Magic Studio, sorry Jay, I said it wrong. But he is our host, webinar host, and he is live, so he will answer your questions live. He is definitely an expert. He's got so much knowledge. This is somebody you want to pick their brain with, okay, if you want to learn anything about online business. He is one that you want to catch one of these live events and ask him questions about affiliate marketing and how to do this business. So that's how a wealthy affiliate works, guys. I just also want to mention that you're joining a huge community at Wealthy Affiliate when you come onto this platform, guys. When you go premium, you're not just buying training. You're also buying the live events. You're also buying a keyword research tool. You're also buying a bunch of tools in here in the websites. There's a bunch of different tools that you can use under websites as well. So you are also buying this community. Okay, this community is awesome. If it was not for this community, I would not have achieved super affiliate status. And I could definitely say this because I had to learn from other members as well to keep me going, to keep me motivated, and to kind of figure out for my particular niche how to get it, how to get super affiliate status. And I was able to do it, guys. Okay, and it was because of Wealthy Affiliates community that helped me get there. So if you want to join Wealthy Affiliate, please use workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama, and I will give you bonuses if you upgrade to premium. Everything will be sent to you, and if you upgrade with the longer term plans, I give you even more bonuses. So look out for those when you upgrade, okay, guys? I can't wait to help you inside Wealthy Affiliate. So again, my link is workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama, and you can see for sure, yes, you can make money blogging, and you can learn how to do that right here at Wealthy Affiliate. I hope I can see you on here soon and help you in the near future. So I hope you really liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up underneath this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more about affiliate marketing and how to make money online, and hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, guys. Alright, so I hope to see you on the platform soon, and I'll see you on the next video.